Hello everyone, my name is Avanshree and welcome back to our YouTube channel Times Infra. And today we are at Ambience Creations, which is located in Sector 22A, Old Gurgaon, Delhi Road. If I talk about location advantages of this project, then it's 2 km from NH8, 2.5 kilometers from Delhi and Kapasira border, 15 minutes drive to IGI airport, and in close vicinity of Ambience Mall, Columbia Asia Hospital, and Fun and Food Village. Even located within 1 kilometer range from corporate companies like Sapient, Ernst & Young, Genpact, even quite close to Het and Trident. The land parcel of this project is of 15 acres, in which we have world-class luxury clubhouse of 60,000 square feet, and which will be maintained by Leela as well. And we have 8,000 square feet of gymnasium, 10,000 square feet of ballroom, 3 multi-cuisine restaurants, 3 swimming pools, along with the temperature control technology, 18 guest suites, daycare crash, 24-seater, 2 conference rooms, bar room, cigar room, billiards room, spa, sauna, jacuzzi, 24x running saloon. So apartments at Ambience Creations will be delivered in a ready-to-live-in state, like fully modular kitchen with all appliances including chimney, hob, refrigerator, oven, microwave, garbage crusher, RO purifier, ACs, lights, fans, false ceiling, wardrobes, toughened glass partition in washroom, CP fittings of Duravet and Grohe. This is the mini football court inside the premises, and I will show you how beautiful this project is. This is the clear open view which will remain as it is. Let me just take you to the sample apartment. This is the lift lobby. We have 2 apartments on each floor, and the size of 4 BHK apartment is 3,975 square feet, along with the servant room, puja room and powder room. So यहाँ Ambience Group ने Italian marble use किया है, that is Botocino and Plato, and this is 7-star luxury project which is going to be delivered as it is. Let's have a look of sample apartment first. This is the separate entrance for servant room, which is internally connected with kitchen through utility balcony.